Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Quick Resume on your Xbox Series X or S. So when you click the Xbox button on your controller and let's say you wanted to switch to another game or an application, let's switch away from Assassin's Creed Valhalla, which is a Quick Resume compatible title. We're going to go over to, let's say, the YouTube application. So now I'm over in YouTube. Let's say I wanted to switch back and Quick Resume to Assassin's Creed Valhalla. All you have to do is click the Xbox button on your controller, and then in the menu go down and click where it says Assassin's Creed Valhalla in this instance. And you can tell it's Quick Resuming because in the upper right-hand corner you can see it says Quick Resume, and then you're right back in the game where you left off. So it has to be a Quick Resume compatible title, and I'll show you how you can check this out. If, again, you click the Xbox button, go down to where it says My Games and Apps, click A on that, and then click See All. And then in your games area, you can see the Assassin's Creed Valhalla has that little XS in the bottom left-hand corner of that tile. And that's an indication that this is going to be a compatible Quick Resume title. And you can have up to 5 of these Quick Resume titles stored at the same time that you can Quick Resume between those 5 different games. And if you wanted to clear out one of these spots, for instance, it's pretty simple to do that. Again, I'm going to click the Xbox button on my controller. That takes us back to this menu. Go down to the game that you no longer want to be in that Quick Resume state. Click the button on your controller that has those 3 horizontal lines to open up your settings. Then go down and click Quit. And then that's going to remove the game so it will no longer Quick Resume. So I'm going to click on it again to show you that it's not going to take me back into the game exactly where I was. And it also doesn't say Quick Resume in the upper right-hand corner. It's going to take me back to the home page of Assassin's Creed Valhalla since I had quit out of the game. So I hope this video was helpful explaining you exactly how Quick Resume works, that you can have up to 5 of these Quick Resume titles going at a time, and how you can quit out of those games to free up one of those spaces. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing, and I'll catch you back here next time.